In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel booking on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to confirm your cancellation without any confusion. Start by signing into your Booking.com account. Once you're on the homepage, click the profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu that opens, choose Bookings and Trips. This is where all your reservations live, and it's the hub for managing any changes, including cancellations. On the Bookings and Trips page, find the reservation you want to cancel and select it to open the booking details. If you have multiple trips, take a moment to make sure you're opening the correct one by checking the dates and property name. It's always better to confirm now than to undo a cancellation later. Inside the booking details, look for the three-dot menu, often labeled as More Options. Click that and choose Cancel Booking. If this option isn't visible, it usually means the reservation is non-refundable or the free cancellation window has passed. In that case, the page will typically display your policy details and any potential fees so you can understand your options. Next, Booking.com will ask you to select a reason for canceling. This is required and helps the property and the platform understand what happened. Click Select a Reason, then pick the option that best fits your situation. Don't worry, your choice here won't affect whether you can cancel. It's just for clarity and record keeping. After choosing your reason, click Continue. You'll see a summary page that outlines the cancellation terms, any fees, and what happens with your payment. Read this carefully. If your rate includes free cancellation and you're still within the allowed time frame, you should see that there are no charges. If not, the page will clearly show any costs involved. When you're ready to proceed, click Cancel Booking to finalize. Give the page a moment to process and wait for the confirmation message. You should also receive a confirmation email shortly after. Keep that for your records. Back in Bookings and Trips, the reservation should now show as canceled. A few quick tips to wrap up. Always check the property's cancellation policy before you begin, especially for non-refundable rates or close to arrival dates. Refund timelines can vary depending on your payment method and bank. And if you were set to pay at the property, there may be nothing to refund. If you don't see the cancel option and believe you should, review the policy details shown on the booking page for guidance. That's it. Your booking is now canceled on Booking.com.